So Seamus, why should people do their drone training with us?
I guess we offer drone training safety awareness initially for just that, for safety. And then we got customers that said this was a fantastic course and let's turn it into a commercial one. It's the most practical course, and welcome to the world of aviation. We can hear it in the background, okay, with a very strong focus on the integration of unmanned aircraft, into the environment traditionally used solely by manned aircraft. We're existing helicopter and fixed wing operators, and so we have a very strong practical element on the course. We've got the most experienced flight examiners and instructors that can provide this course, and to the best of our knowledge it's the only course that includes both a control tower visit and also a flight in the helicopter to really bed in those core learnings. So come and join us. We'd love to help keep you safe and keep you compliant.